Introduction to Open Source Programming Languages.
Open source programming languages have changed the way people learn, build, and share software. By making code freely available, these languages encourage innovation and collaboration within the global tech community. Today, open source is a driving force behind modern programming and powers countless applications and services in industries worldwide.
Transformative examples: Python and JavaScript.
Languages like Python and JavaScript have become the cornerstones of open source development. Python is prized for its readability and versatility, making it popular in education, data science, and web development. JavaScript fuels dynamic websites and applications, shaping the modern internet experience. Both benefit from strong active communities sharing resources and tools.
Impact on learning and skill development.
Open source languages empower learners and professionals alike. With vast libraries of tutorials, forums, and shared code, beginners can start projects quickly, and experts can deepen their expertise. This collaborative ecosystem lowers barriers to entry, enabling anyone, regardless of background, to contribute, build portfolios, and advance their careers.
Open source in the tech industry.
Major tech companies and startups rely on open source programming languages to innovate rapidly and reduce costs. These languages allow teams to adapt existing solutions and participate in global projects. From web applications to artificial intelligence, open source tools are foundational, helping businesses stay agile and competitive.
Looking ahead, the future of open source languages.
The popularity of open source programming languages continues to grow. As more organizations and individuals contribute, tools and frameworks evolve at a fast pace. This culture of collaboration promises ongoing opportunities for learning and career growth in tech, making open source a vital part of the industry's future.